Hi there, this is Shaquille at Finale Inventory. In this short video demonstration, we'll be discussing how Finale Inventory helps you with boxing and packing inventory before it's finally shipped and leaving your facility. So what do we mean when we say boxing and packing inventory? Now, traditionally in most e-commerce businesses, the fulfillment process, which includes picking, packing, and boxing your inventory and also finally shipping your inventory, generally happens in one fluid process, and most of the time it happens all at once. Now, in some businesses, you may need to stage that inventory. You may need to pick it, pack it, but you may not fulfill it, you may not ship that inventory in that same day. You may need to just keep it separate and store it at a different location. Finale helps you accomplish this with our boxing and packing process, which we'll demonstrate here in this video. So let's go ahead and create a sales order. And in this sales order, we're just gonna select a few units here. So I like seltzer, so we're gonna use my seltzer product. And I'm gonna say this order is comprised of 5 units. So I'm gonna go ahead and commit this order. And now we're going to go over to the shipment tab where we can pack that in that order. So I'm going to use this option to quickly match the shipment with the order details. So that's going to add these 5 units to my shipment. And from here, instead of shipping the inventory, we're actually going to pack it. And it's going to bring up a modal that's going to give us some additional options. The date in which we want to pack it, how many boxes we're packing this inventory into, and where we want to store it. This is going to be stored in my storage location, and I'm going to pack that shipment. This is going to now separate and isolate that stock from your quantity on hand value. So we can see here, before this order was packed, I had 2,549 units. And after this order is packed, when I leave this screen and I show you my current stock values, we'll see that we no longer have this much inventory available in our on hand, and it's been decremented and removed. It's not out of our warehouse and not out of our inventory's value, but it is separated so that when we're engaging in cycle counts, this order, even though it hasn't left our warehouse, isn't going to be subject to any discrepancies, or your inventory isn't going to be subject to any discrepancies. So let's go ahead now that we've created this pack storage shipment. I'm going to take a look at my view stock for that product. We can see my seltzer product here, and we can go ahead and take a look at what my current stock values are. So we can see my quantity on hand is now 2,544, which is 5 lower than what it previously was. If you have any questions about how Finale Inventory helps you accomplish staging and packing inventory into boxes or storage for fulfillment at a later date, you can feel free to reach out to us at service@finaleinventory.com, and we'd be happy to provide some additional assistance.